Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by laying down two simple heart shapes, one slightly overlapping the other to hint at depth. Draw a light center guideline to align their tips. Once done, mark a subtle vanishing point above the hearts to angle the 3D edges consistently, and use an HB pencil for these initial lines so corrections are easy. Make sure to keep strokes light and controlled. This lets you adjust proportions quickly, and it sets the foundation for clean 3D extrusion later. You now create the volume by offsetting the heart outline with parallel lines about 0.5 to 1 cm apart depending on desired thickness. Keep these offsets consistent so the 3D form reads correctly. Once the offsets are set, connect them with smooth, rounded joins at lobes and the point to preserve the heart shape as a solid. Make sure to add a base midtone using light cross-hatching with a 2B pencil to separate face from side, because tonal contrast defines depth and guides the next shading steps. You finish by defining a clear light source and deepening shadows on the opposite side. Darken the cast shadow beneath the heart to anchor it, and add stronger value on the far side planes. Once done, lift small highlights with a kneaded eraser along the rim and the top lobes to sell the glossy 3D look, and use a blending stump sparingly to smooth transitions. If proportions look off, make sure to soften any overly sharp edges or recheck your light source consistency as a quick troubleshooting fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.